guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm coming at you with another episode of the series 2 collaboration. Better way to not get back. I know it can be very hard for y'all sometimes, and there will be another collaboration series number 3, and I think I'm gonna do it in mid-spring. Makeup in the summer, you know, teach us ways how to stay fresh and revamped in the summertime, baby. Well, getting prepared for the summer. There's a lot of good things coming up, and I am so excited for 2019, y'all. Y'all just don't know. It was supposed to be burgundy, but it was red. Theme of this look is to do a mermaid look, and this is what I came up with. I plopped in my little bit of plop, y'all. Don't forget to go check out the girls in the description right below. Definitely tell them that I sent you, y'all. Y'all would definitely see some beauties that y'all didn't know about in the description right below. So go head over to their page and show them some love, because I know the Dow game be heavy. So if you want to see how I achieved this mermaid beat, then keep on watching.
Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing
to it. Beauty eyeshadow, and I'm picking up the shade Hookah, which is this burgundy shade. 167 brush from Morphe. Put this right in my crease like we do all the time with each color. Packing it on. Is I'm about to go in with this red right here in James Charles palette on a 221. Go in this shade right here. Man, but it's the lightest shade because I don't want to add any more. Just those two colors. To wipe some of this off, because when I apply my concealer, sometimes the red be interfering inside the concealer, so I had to wipe it off first with a baby wipe. And then what I'm about to do is go in with base number 2. I'm gonna let my base dry a little bit, and I'm coming right back so I can apply these colors. The shade that I'm about to take is Tropic from Suva Beauty. right here. And I'm about to place that on top of the shimmery lime green. Go with this blue. I'm about to take this navy blue and I'm about to put it on the end. Going back in with each color, and I'm basically trying to fade everything into one. Y'all, so I'm about to grab my Eye and Me glitter from the beauty supply, and I'm about to take some and put it on the back of my hands, and then pat this slightly over all the colors so that we can add some like iridescent glitter. I primed my face with my Sacha primer, and then I went in with my Nars foundation. Same routine that I use. I will leave in the description bar below the routine that I use to do my face. Now I'm about to go in with my highlighter, and I'm about to take a little bit of this Morphe spray to go in with some Fawn highlighters. Since this is supposed to be a mermaid look, just a little bit. So Fawn highlighter. So I'm gonna take this holographic pink looking shade, and then I'm gonna take Trophy Wife. Under eyes, I am going to add this navy blue on the outer part and then lighter in the front. And took J La Rue pigment in the shade Bliss, y'all. Don't forget to go check out in the description box below. She has bomb pigments. And then I took my lip liner. It's called Vinyl from Morphe. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to do my brows off camera and I'm come back with the finished look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Follow girls in the description bar below. Don't forget to share this video. So then, I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.